How to fix left airpod not working? Proceeding with the solution one, where you could disconnect and reconnect your AirPods. Okay, if that doesn't work, proceed with the next step. Unpair the iPods and restart. I'll show you. Go into settings on the iPhone or iPad. Go into Bluetooth, as shown as the image, and select forget this device and click on forget. This should disconnect and unpair. Now then restart your iPhone or iPad, and we need to pair the iPods now. Put the AirPods back into the case. Okay, open the lid and press the button on the AirPods case, and it will give you an option on the device connecting. Click on connect. Next solution would be discharging the battery completely of the AirPods. Follow the steps. If this should help. uh, if this helps you, please do not forget to hit subscribe and like the video. Have a nice day.